was sent this ceiling light to review, and so today I will be reviewing it. In this thick cardboard box, you can see, nicely packaged, extra cardboard on the top. Everything you need right in there. Let's pull it out and check it out. We have our installation kit. Comes with white gloves so you don't get anything smeared up. Extra cardboard here. You can see this is a nice feature that not all of them have. It actually has insulation in between it. A lot of these I get sent don't. This like wicker style basket finish, black along the frame. Looking, you can see the quality here. That's just a little bit of the insulation fiber. The wicker looks good as well. 2 light bulbs. Light bulbs are not included. They take normal E26 bulbs. And got this knob right here. Bracket right here. Should be pretty easy to install. I like that it has nice long wires. That's always makes it easier to install if you're a do-it-yourselfer like me. There's 2 sets of them. Big long wires. Sometimes they're really short and tricky to put up. So I'm gonna go get this installed. And so here it is, all installed. Very easy to install. Got some little Edison bulbs in there. You could put whatever bulb you want. That's an E26 to fit. Nice black cage. Inner wicker. Kind of cool look to it. Everything looks nice. Good quality. Got these screws right here. The big screw to pull it down, you know, to hold it in right there, which is adjustable based on your needs. And provides good light. Casts a little bit of a glow through the wicker basket. Look right there. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.